Continue our coverage now of the Food and Drug Administration meeting today that could lead to the nation's first vaccine shot.
Yeah, let's take a closer look at how it could all unfold here. We're joined now by NBC10 medical expert Dr. Arnold Baskies of the Global Cancer Control Advisory Council. Dr. Baskies, always good to have you with us. Tell us what today's process is going to be like, and will the recent allergic reactions in the UK have any effect on what happens here in the US?
Yeah, so the panel today will discuss the results that they've evaluated. This is an independent panel of the country's leading experts in vaccineology. And they will go through the data, which is very extensive. And by the way, the public can see that data. It's been made available in a PDF that's posted on their website. They're going to make a recommendation today. They will probably, I think, approve the vaccine from Pfizer for emergency use administration. However, that is only a recommendation they'll come up with. That recommendation will then go on to the whole FDA, and then within a few days the FDA will make a decision as a body whether or not to allow the Pfizer vaccine to be distributed and used for inoculation. The process is going to be, I think, the most interesting process we've ever seen. It has been the most careful and thorough evaluation of any vaccine I think that we've ever had. That's what's going to happen.
Yeah, Dr. Baskies, how quickly do you think this vaccine will be ready given that process? And also, too, how quickly do you think it'll be distributed to everyone who wants it? Okay,
so Operation Warp Speed is the group, the government's group that's been put together to make this available. And Dr. Slowey, who is the head of Operation Warp Speed, and a really excellent scientist, by the way, has said that there should be enough vaccine for the entire U.S. population. Think about that. 300 million, over 300 million people by June. I think it'll be sooner than that. And each of the 6 companies in the portfolio, remember, the U.S. government didn't put all of their eggs in one basket.
Sure.
They made it, they developed this process so that there would be multiple companies that would be able to create vaccine, because one would not be enough, and they didn't want to take a chance that a vaccine wouldn't be good. So there are 6 vaccines that are in production now, all of which will go through the same FDA approval process. And if that is the case, if all of them are suitable for use in humans, and I think they will be, there will be between 500 million and 1 billion doses by the end of the year. So by June, that's for the rest of the whole world, also part of the rest of the whole world. So there will be enough vaccine available for the entire U.S. population by June. I think that it will be sooner than that.
Wow. Fast timeline. I mean, super fast.
It's an incredible scientific achievement, guys. It is the most unbelievable thing that we've ever seen scientifically, I think, in my lifetime.
Absolutely.
Says a lot right there. Dr. Arnold Baskies, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you. Great
Always
to see you.
Always good to have your insight.
Yeah, for sure.